I'm here today. I just came in. I wanted to walk alone in town, but I found a big crowd of young people and women, walking behind me. And I'm proud of your job. And they are walking with me. As I was doing the work of inspecting the works which are ongoing. Therefore, I'm impressed with the progress I've seen down on the bridge, the main bus park, and the covering of many streets in town. Again, I'll check where probably next week national government has awarded a contractor who's supposed to do the Nyambera market at the 50 million. Thank you. Now, next week, I've agreed with the management of the guys who are doing sand that will definitely move from there. Then we accrete all that land for purpose of development. I'm happy that this is the most peaceful. There is a lot of games going on, water. Again, I'm happy. The only thing, let me speak in AKC, the only thing I'm disappointed, there is a lot of alcohol with these young people. There is a lot of alcohol, and I'm told it's being sold here in the market. I'm going to ask the national government, through the county commander, we will crack down on those ones who are selling alcohol in the market here. And it's not the licensed one. I'm sure it is Chang'an. But one of the boys went to my school. That's my friend. The school, those years, don't cross. Don't get the cross. No, we don't see limiting it. No, or see when you only came when you cross. It's true, você vai dar. Esse caseta hiyo abana bakwenda kwa lesukuru bakwenda kwa lesukuru afadhali mwana ikatoka yake abana bakwenda lesukuru gasio nataka tukie lesukuru na gaseta kwa nini nimeangalia market ambapo ilichomeka amapi nimeona kina mama wako na furaha sana nimefurahia sana na hiyo kesi kisha nitatengeneza hapo mahali vizuri mheshimiwa kore buya ya mama. Kwa hivyo nitaomba kwamba nyinyi mtapoa hivyo. Nilikuwa safari kidogo, nimerudi wiki iliyopita. Mheshimiwa Rais Ruto aliweza kukubali yale ambayo tulimuuliza yote. Nilimuuliza mambo ya stadium, nikamuuliza mambo ya SCK kutoka pale, nikamuuliza bypass hapa itoke hapa iende mpaka karibu Bobaracho kule. Nikamuuliza hii barabara ya kutoka Kisii mpaka Kabrongo tuone kama tutakuwa na highway. Amekubali. Kwa hivyo nitakaribisha mtu hapa tao. Akikuja tukaribishe yeye. Usiende unaomba. Sisi yake yeye tutakuwa hata umani kutoka lakini before the campaign, kitu ko nyara kwa tra the president Abraham make sure being to be king. Do you want it? Being to be king. Being to be king, I machine store. The carry government to best to a chick. They never survey. Into one in the material. Only to go what happened. Uliwaka pale kwa